what we're doing on this side is we're going to be replacing this string. This string finally gave up after 27 years. This is the piece that rubs right here all the time. So obviously after that amount of time, it's time to go. And so you want to put your cord down in here on the spool, and then you want to get something to kind of try to pull it out like this. And you're going to pull this all the way through, and then you're going to knot this side. And this is going to go on like this. So you want to spool your cable on this way, because then when you pull it out to start it, it's going to wind back in this way. Alright, put a piece of electrical tape around the center spindle to hold my string in place. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the tension, as you can see, so it'll spin back in. And then I'm going to use this as my guide here, and then count how many spins I go this way. Then I'll release this, coming up through here, out through here, in through here, and then I'll knot it up. So I use this mini vice grip to get my tension, and I spun it like this. And then to hold it in place, I use these bamboo skewers through the vents, as you can see, so I can tie the knot in this string. Alright, we're ready to put back in the side piece that for the string. We still have our spark plug out, so we can rotate this back and forth. On my piece I have it going sideways like this, so this could go like this, and I'll just drop in right here like this, and then you just tighten up your 4 screws. Alright, we have our 4 screws tightened up, so now we give our little cord a pull test. Works great.